So hello guys, this is my new video of Termux tutorial. This video will help to those students who are all script kiddies, means who don't want to do write out any program and just want to use that pre-made tools. Tools means I mean to say hacking tools like information gathering, Wi-Fi cracking, password generation. Like these tools you can get from one site. That site is called GitHub repository. So you can get lot of tools from this repository. So I will show you how to get all the repository, means any tools packages from this site. So let's go to the Termux terminal. Okay, at first I will update the packages. Update $&upgrade and -ny. So it will update. You must be update and upgrade all times. Whenever you will start your Termux terminal, you have to update and upgrade your Termux terminal. Okay, so let it be complete. Okay, done. So now for get any tools from the internet, I have to use one tools. That cool tool is called, means that package is called Git. What are the package name? Git. So you have to install that package install by using the command package install and Git. Okay, just give an enter. So I already installed it, so you have to install in your Termux terminal. So after then, so this is the package by which you can get, means any of the tools from the internet. So let's go to Google. Just type here like password list generator, GitHub. So word list generate or password list generate, anyone. Just click on this link and here you can see lot of links are there. So you just have to, I'm just clicking the first one, that code. Over the code tab you have to click. Okay, just after open that page, what you have to do, just go to this search box and you have to copy this link. Okay, then go back to your Termux terminal and just type git space clone and then paste over here. Okay, then press enter. So it will download all the required files from that internet. Okay, from the internet. So after installation is done, so now what I have to do, just check it is installed or not. See, shadow cipher is the, one second, see, this is the shadow cipher link. So I just see, this is the shadow cipher. So now what I have to do, just go to that folder shadow. So these are the case sensitive, so you have to follow that thing. Just cd shadow cipher list. See, these all other files have in this folder. Bye bye.